around regret. Based pa lang sa title kung naging tayo, iniisip niya what could have been. So it plays around that question, what could have been. And di ba tayo minsan hindi natin inaamin kung ano nararamdaman natin for whatever reason, takot, ayaw mapahiya, ayaw ma-reject, fear, basically. So yun po talaga yung meaning ng song, and ang gusto ko naman pong i-portray sa music video is the consequences of not speaking up, of not being honest about how you feel. Yun po. So basically, it's just a song about regret. Para sa mga totga. Mga totga, diba?
So, Alexa, being a Swiftie, di ba minsan si Taylor yung mga Easter eggs, tas talagang pag-storytelling, ganun din ba yung peg mo sa iyong music video? Konting teaser lang.
Sadly, I'm not as smart as her. I'm not as creative as her. I wish I had her brain. I don't know how she's able to think the way she does. One of a kind talaga po si Taylor Swift. I don't know any artist who does it like her. She's insane in a great way. So, ako naman, I'll do the best I can. But, ayun nga, hindi ako talaga katulad kay Taylor Swift. So, baka wala ng Easter eggs, baka straight to the point na lang ako. Ibibigay ko na agad.
Meron siya, syempre papakita mo pa rin na you're a great storyteller, no?
Yes, of course.
So, may ganun pa rin siyang aspect na.
Of
Hindi
course.
lang siya as a singer, artist, actress, gano'n.
Yes. I would say, na-realize ko din po recently that I'm a bit creative pala. Because I never thought I was. Until I realized, sobra akong mag-conceptualize lahat ng shoots namin, lahat ng ina-attenda namin events, iniisip ko kung ano yung peg namin. Ako lahat nagpa-plan talaga. So biglang na-realize ko na, parang creative naman pala ako in a way.
Sabi sa'yo, pwede ka mag-director.
Hindi naman. Ano, creative lang.